Hey cooks, welcome back to Gigi's Recipes. I'm Amanda Blaylock, and today we're going to be talking about high altitude baking. Gigi was baking in North Dakota, around 1,000 feet, and I'm baking in Colorado, just over 6,000 feet. The first time I tried to bake one of Gigi's recipes, my bread fell in the middle. This happens because the low air pressure at high altitudes affects two things. Number one, it speeds up the rising process, and number two, it causes the moisture to evaporate faster. This results in a structure that can't support itself, so it falls. But don't worry, there are a couple adjustments you can make depending on your altitude. Let's try a few now. I decided to try adjustments for 5,000 and 7,000 feet, and see which one worked better for my location. To slow the rise, start by reducing the baking powder. Next, reduce the amount of sugar you're using. And finally, increase the amount of liquid. Keep all the other ingredients the same. Then, when it's time to pop it in the oven, increase the temperature by 25 degrees. The increase in temperature and liquid should help the bread rise slower and keep it from falling. In the end, the adjustment for 7,000 feet worked better, and that loaf turned out much prettier. I hope these adjustments worked well for you. If they did, leave us a comment and tell us what altitude you're baking at. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Gigi's Recipes.